Hi guys, B here. So we're back with another video, Afrikaans video. We'll be looking at voegwoorde or conjunctions. For those of you who need a little recap, a conjunction is a word that joins two sentences together. In Afrikaans, I like to work, and many other people tend to agree with this method. I like to group my rules according to little traits. Like, for example, in a previous video, we spoke about the vowels, twin vowel, double vowel, etc. In this video, I'm going to be talking about group 1, group 2, and group 3. Each group has a unique rule with a unique quirk that goes with it, so it's easier to remember. Once we've gone over the words in the group, the rule, I'll be showing you an example. If this pace of the video is too fast, please feel free to pause and gather your thoughts before moving on. Let's start. Group number 1. These words include maar, en, of want. In English, this translates to but, and, or, because. Do you see a unique word forming using just the first letters of these words? That word makes the word meow. We all know a cat meows. Please, I do apologize for my cat. I'm trying. I'm not an artist, I'm a teacher. So, we have our cat and our word meow. This way we can remember the words in group 1 are maar, en, of, and want. M-E-O-W. Right. Let's look at our rule next. This rule is very simple. There is no change. Just write sentence 1, conjunction, sentence number 2. That is all you are going to do for group 1. The only words that will appear in group 1 are maar, en, of, and want. Let's have a look at an example for group 1. Ons is moeg, meaning we are tired. Dit is laat, meaning it is late. Our conjunction is then the word want. Right, so now this conjunction is going to come in between our two sentences. Therefore, our sentence will read and be written, Ons is moeg, conjunction want, comma, dit is laat. Notice there is no change, except the full stop becomes a comma. This changes to a baby, as we are making one long sentence. Right, let's have a look at group 2. Group 2 involves all the D words. Not all of them, but in the alphabet, I mean. But the D words in this case are dan, daarna, dus, daarom. All these words begin with the letter D. English translation, these two mean then, and this means therefore. Right, in group 1, the little quirk was my cat drawing. In group 2, we speak about the middle group. Bear this in mind when we discuss the rule. Let's have a look at the rule. Right. Because this group is in the middle, the verb in the second sentence moves to the middle after the conjunction. So, the middle group means the verb in the second sentence moves to the middle of the sentence after the conjunction. You got that? Right. Let's look at an example. Die man het die geld gesteel. Full stop. Hy het tronk toe gegaan. Right. And our conjunction happens to be daarom. Group 2 because it begins with a D. Right. The conjunction is going to go in between the two sentences as well as our verb in the second sentence. Here's our second sentence. Now, our verb happens to be the word het because the sentence is in the past tense. This het is then going to move after the conjunction. Let's write our answer. Die man het die geld gesteel. Sentence 1 stays the same. Now, we're going to use our conjunction. No capital letters because it is joining another sentence. Daarom, comma. Now comes our verb. Het. Now we're going to use this word. Hy dronk toe gegaan. All that's going to happen are these two are going to swap places. The verb and your subject. Right. There will be a video on Stompie, your sentence structure, where I speak about subject, verb, object, all that jazz. That is group 2. Let's move on to group 3. Group 3 is at the end. So the verb in the second sentence will then proceed to the end, just like the middle. However, let's have a look at the words that will be in group 3. These words will be our dat words. Let's list them. dat, omdat, tot, dat, voor, dat, so, dat. Do you notice that dat is present in each of the words that I have listed? Let's run through the English. Dat, that. Omdat, because. Totdat, until. Voordat, before. Sodat, so that. Right. The little quirk to remember for this group is that group 3 is at the end. Therefore, the verb goes to the end. Right, let's have a look at our rule. Sentence 1 stays the same. The only change, like stated with the little quirk, is the verb in the second sentence goes to the end. The conjunction will still go to the middle of the two sentences, just like the other groups. Right, let's have a look at our example. Ons is bly, full stop. Dit is vakansie. Full stop, and our word is omdat. Apologies, let me underline it so that it stands out. Right, we have sentence number 1, sentence number 2, and our conjunction. We now need to find our verb, as this word is going to go to the end of our sentence. Right. If we refer to Stompie, it's our subject, then our verb, and so the sentence follows on. This word is now going to go to the end of our sentence, and the conjunction will go after sentence number 1. Let's have a look at how it will look and read. Ons is bly, conjunction, omdat, comma, second sentence, dit. The next word I'm going to use is this one as our verb moved to the end. Dit, vakansie, and our verb is, full stop. Right, that is voegwoorde or conjunctions in a nutshell. I really hope that this video brought some clarity to those who are still a little bit confused, help you remember a fun way of learning Afrikaans. Have a lovely evening. Goodbye.